Okay, so yeah, I just went back to the tender, I think, at Adventure. I think we might be better off. You said the 22. It's gonna run us for 5,000 or let's see. The Adventure. This is a 22s.
Yep.
Okay, so the 21, we're looking at a foot less.
Right.
The 150.
A little bit less beams, as the boat's not quite as wide,
Okay.
but the layout's pretty similar. I said, other than the Adventure's not going to have this back seat.
Right.
The Adventure has the cockpit goes all the way back here and has a fold-up seat. Where this is a fixed bench seat. But that has a live one everything underneath here too, so you could still fish, you know. That's a live one in the center.
All right. This good stuff here is just storage.
Access to storage, yeah.
Okay. And okay. So I lose 1 foot if this bench kind of thing. They can lose a foot anyway on what's inside. Put the whole thing, lose a foot.
Yeah, the Adventure's got a little bit more floor space, you know. But this has a little better back seating, you know.
Okay.
The Adventure only has a seat about this wide, just in the center, you know.
Cool.
That folds out, you know. This is a full length bench.
Because it's just going to be us, and how it is, people promise that when they visit it also.
Right.
That's what we're buying for us.
Slide for y'all, yeah.
Yes, that's what we're doing. Okay, so if we want something like this, it's body style like this here for.
Yeah, this one was 7 or something like that. So it's, yeah, it's close.
Yeah. And this one has the, yeah, 21 Adventure had the
Right, yeah.
So basically everything else, we have a topper, everything. And that one's hitting around 52s.
That was I think that was the starting price on it. Let's look at it again. That's what I said on the website. I think that was the starting price. I think it's around 50 or so. Starting price. And then you gotta add the options to whatever you want.
Okay.
Top, stuff like that.
Alright. Well, the last one, we started talking about everything, the paper you get from 52, 8, something like that.
On the Adventure?
Yeah. With the 21, the 210.